Steve says dydx is one of the hype projects. How can we get in? Well, I mean, right now it's speculation that there will be a token, but there has been no formal announcement. But basically, if I pull up my screen here, going to DeFi Pulse, if we go to dydx, right? It's the sixth cryptocurrency based on total value locked. So right now there's about 263 million in dydx, right? If we click on it here, so our team is looking into this, and we did share this with our customers last week. So hopefully that was helpful. There was a pretty in-depth report going through why we think this could be next. It's backed by good investors. If you go down, Polychain Capital and some others, and it's really one of the composable protocols or assets on the DeFi stack. Lots of DeFi protocols use it, right? As you see here, also Andreessen Horowitz invested. So we think this could be next, right? So speculation that they could possibly launch a token. If they do that, that would be huge. I mean, obviously, I don't know why they wouldn't do it. Probably more for legal reasons. But I think if they can do it like Uniswap did, because Uniswap was also backed by Andreessen Horowitz and some others, I believe, right? So kind of the same backers. So I think, to me, it's the no-brainer play. So if they ever issue a token, and it's done through an airdrop retroactively, that's how you do it, right? Because if you just made one single trade on Uniswap and one each exchange, no matter the fees, I think you earn tokens, right? So I think that's how, because if you find that and you hold, that's the play, honestly. But there's so many different ways to do it.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.